everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I need to put some lip balm on. My lips are crusty. So today I have a really exciting package sitting in front of me. I'm so excited. I haven't even opened it yet because I wanted to do it on camera and get my reaction because I'm so excited. Also, ignore my hair today. I washed it last night. I was like, it's gonna look really nice. Tried to do some overnight curls. Didn't work. So then curled it. That looked awful. And then I got moisturizer in it, so now it looks really greasy. Look what it is. You probably saw by the title anyway, but the first thing is actually the eye primer. I'm so excited about this. I've seen people using it. Look at that. It's so pretty. Obviously, this is the Alyssa Edwards and Anastasia collaboration. So the first thing we got in here is this mirror, which is so cool. Oh my god. Oh, it has little lips there. So it says Beast on it. And it's just really pretty and cool. So that's the first thing. Next thing is probably like the most exciting thing for me. I've wanted one of these fans for so long. I was literally talking to Abby at IMATS last weekend saying that I really wanted one, and I was looking to get one because she had hers with her, and then ABH put one in their damn PR kit. Oh my god, I've wanted some of these for so long. So this is like, I don't actually know if they have a special name to them, but I'd call it like a drag fan, because drag queens like clack them out like that and then like do choreography with them, and then known to like have these fans and like makeup and stuff when you want to fan your makeup. That's so fun to do. I'm just gonna constantly be doing that. Oh, wrong way. Oh, that was a good. Oh, I'm so excited. Nope. That way, like that. This is really exciting because I watched Alyssa on Drag Race, obviously, and I love Drag Race, I love drag queens, I think they're amazing. So talented, so beautiful, and I've loved Alyssa. The packaging is like cardboard, but like varnished. That's really good because then when it gets dirty, you can just wipe it straight off and it will stay nice and clean and beautiful. So then this is the eye primer, and it has 15 milliliters. The full size is $23 and the mini size, which is 7 milliliters, is $13. It's vegan, water resistant, oil free, alcohol free, paraben free. That is the shade it is. It's pretty light. So I'm just gonna take this on a Anastasia A4 brush, and I'm just gonna put that onto like the higher part of my eyelid, more like above the crease. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a little tiny bit more because I do like a little bit more primer. I like to use a damp sponge to blend in my base. So I've just got this mini Real Techniques one and it's working nicely now. I found it a little bit hard to blend out with a brush just because it was starting to get a little bit dry because it dries down. I'm gonna go in with the shade Dream It first, which is the bright blue. I'm gonna take this on a Morphe M515 and I'm just gonna pack this into my crease. Now I'm going to go in with this really tiny brush from the Morphe Grandmasters brush set. So there was a bit of kickback on that shade. I just blew it off before I showed you, but I don't really mind about kickback. So I'm going to go in the shade with the shade Believe, which is this really bright purple. Packing that a little bit on and a little bit above that blue shade. I should have probably brought the blue a bit higher, but oh well. These shades are really pigmented so far and I'm really liking them. So I'm going to take the brush that comes with it, which is the standard ABH brush. I really like this brush. I'm going to take the packing side and I'm going to take the shade Texas Made, which is this really pretty bright pink. And I'm going to, again, pack that a little bit on and a little bit above that purple shade. Probably should have used a smaller brush for this certain part, but oh well. Okay, so now I'm going back in with some of Dream It, which is the blue. I'm just gonna put a little bit more of that on to help blend it out and just re-intensify it. It doesn't really need it because it's still really bright, but I'm just gonna bring it up just a little bit higher because I realized that I brought it down too low and it would just probably just disappear when I cut the crease. So then I'm gonna take the purple, which is Believe, and just bring that up a little bit higher. So the blue and the purple are blending really nicely together. Then I'm going to take another M515 and take the pink, which is Texas Made, and just start blending that out a little bit and also just making sure it's blended into the purple. So I'm up to this step so far. Went in with a little bit of the purple to help blend it out with the pink, and because it's quite high up, I'm just going to go in with a clean brush, Morphe M562, and I'm just going to try and slightly blend out those edges, but I'll probably have to go in with a little bit of the pink in a second. So I'm really impressed with that so far. So I just took a cotton bud and some makeup remover and I just cleaned up that area just so when I cut the crease it doesn't turn a weird colour. It might still, because I might go a little bit higher and change the shape a little bit because it's hard to get an exact shape with a cotton bud. I'm going to take the eye primer a little bit on the back of my hand because I don't want it to dry out. I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills A4 brush. I just answered the door looking like this. So the primer does get a little bit dry and a little bit cakey when you layer it up. The good thing about the primer is that one, it makes the eyeshadows pop, but two, it sets, so like I don't think it would transfer if I like looked up. I'm gonna take the shade Brick Road, which is the bright yellow. I'm gonna pack that right on the inner part of my, where I've cut the crease. Even though that base is set basically, so it's kind of just going onto something that's quite dry, the yellow is really nice and really pops, so I like it. Imagine this on like a wet base, like, yes. Now I'm going in with the shade Beyond, which is the shimmery pink, and I'm going to put that next to the yellow. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with DDG, I think it is. I'm not too sure what that stands for. I didn't really want it to go out this far, but hey ho. That's what's happening. So now I'm taking the white shade, which is the shade Headliner, and I'm going to put that on the rest of the cut crease and blend it into the purple. It's a very weird look. I don't really know what I'm doing here, but I thought I'd do something a little bit different. Okay, so I think that's the eyes for now. I might touch them up a little bit, but I'm going to do my base and then come back and do my lower lash line. So yeah, really impressed so far. So I'm now going to move on to my lower lash line, and I think I'm just going to take the same 3 shades that I used on my lid. Blue, which is Dream It. And then I'm going to take Believe, which is the purple. And then lastly, Texas Made, which is the bright pink. Yeah, I forgot to say, I did put a little bit of glitter just where that purple blended into the white just to help it blend in a bit. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter in the shade Royal. I'm going to use some dewy set just to set my face and to make it nice and dewy, dull. And I'm going to use my fan. Oh my god, that makes life so much easier. I was using my Anastasia mirror as a fan. But now I can just get this bad boy out. I'm already dry. Something from the Dream Glow kit, because this is a colourful look and it would be quite nice to have a colourful highlighter as well. So I'm gonna go in with this shade, which looks beautiful, which is Ethereal. I haven't used this before, I don't think. It's like a purpley pink. So perfect for this look. So the lashes I'm actually going to use are the Bow Beauty and Abby Roberts Artistry Bish lashes. So yeah. So I just did my lips. I used a Kiko lip liner, Sweetheart lip pencil in the shade 01, and then I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pink Daiquiri lip gloss. Okay, so I put my hair back again because it looks stupid down. So overall review, I really like the palette. I think it's really pigmented, really easy to blend, and such amazing colours. I cannot wait to use the other shades in this palette. I obviously love the mirror. I didn't really use it today, but I will use it. I love it. And also absolutely adore the fan. It's so beautiful and I'm just so happy. I've wanted one of these fans for so long, like. Okay, so yeah, I'm really happy with those. And then the eye primer, I liked it. I think I just have to get used to it. I will use it again, obviously. I really liked it for cutting the crease. I think it was really like precise. The only thing was that it got a little bit cakey once you layered it, but that can happen with like everything. And I just got to probably get used to it and just use little bits at a time, which I did try and do, but I use a lot of products, so yeah, I might do a video testing this against the P. Louise base or the Makeup Revolution base, so let me know if you would like to see that, which one, and if you would. Oh yeah, by the way guys, this launches on the 29th of May, which is in 5 days, I think. So set your alarms and get this palette and these products because they're amazing. Thank you so much to ABH for sending this over. It really honestly means the world to me. I'm so happy and so excited right now. I can't wait to use the other colours in the palette and use just the palette. I'm going to use it so much, and I'm going to use the fan so much and the mirror so much and the primer so much. So thank you so much. I keep saying so. Thank you, thank you, thank you, ABH. It really, really means a lot. Hopefully my next video will be my hair dyeing video. Sorry it's up late. My laptop had a few problems and I've just got to go collect it now because it's been fixed over the past few days. I tried to edit the video on my iPad, but it didn't work. It was so hard. So also just wanted to let you know my Instagram is Alice King Makeup. If you want to go follow me over there, I will be posting an up close picture of this look. Maybe a little selfie, I don't know. Depends how I'm feeling. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you are new. It would mean a lot. I think that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye.